It's coming up on turkey frying season, Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving, a day to give thanks and reflect on blessings. A day for feast, football, family, and firefighters? Whoa, whoa, whoa. It doesn't have to be that way. Battalion Chief Rickie Jenkins is Fire Marshal for Dorchester County Fire Rescue. He knows what it takes to make your fried turkey look like this, not like this. First things first.
One of the key things that we don't want to do is we don't want to fry a turkey inside of our garage. We don't want to fry them on wooden patios, decks, or anything like that. We want to keep them at least 10 to 20 feet away from the home on a flat level surface. And we want to keep your grease at about 325, 350, somewhere in that area. That's where the recommended temperature for frying turkey's at. You don't want to get it any hotter than that, cause a flame up.
And for the love of turkey, don't build your own homemade fryer.
You use a design turkey fryer and not a homemade turkey fryer, because there are safety features that are built into turkey fryers that you actually line out there. So just like your fill line.
The fill line tells you how much oil to put in so it doesn't spill over, possibly causing a fire.
There's a line that's located on the containers, and you don't want to go over your maximum.
This type of turkey fryer head comes with a timer on it. What it is every 15 minutes you have to reset your timer. It burns out at 15 minutes for safety reasons. So we definitely don't want a cylinder sitting right up against the fire.
Okay, you bought your turkey fryer, now what?
You want to put your oil in your fryers before you actually ignite them.
All right, turkey time!
You need to let your turkeys thaw out at least 24 hours in advance so they're good and thawed out, and then dry them down before you place them into the grease. Water and oil do not mix.
And that's why dropping a frozen turkey into 350-degree oil is so dangerous. When ice from a frozen turkey touches the hot oil, it instantly changes to steam and expands to 1,700 times its original volume. This causes the oil to bubble over, and if that oil touches a flame,
thawed out and dry before you place it in the oil. We can show you what's going to happen if you do not thaw your turkey out and dry it off. You don't want to leave your turkey fryer while it's being fried.
The turkey's fried. Thanksgiving dinner was a hit. Now what?
You want to let your oil cool down for a day or so before you discharge of it. And you want to use kitty litter, some type of sorbent that you want to pour into the grease and then discharge it, but never pour it down drains or sewer lines or anything like that. It clogs the system up.
Follow these easy tips and you too can safely enjoy Rickie's favorite part of Thanksgiving.
The turkey.